Hello students, welcome to my class. So today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is houses and chapter number is chapter 11. Chapter 11 houses. So in this lesson we are going to learn about houses, types of houses, kinds of roofs, parts of a house and a good house. So students, what is a house? Where do we live? Children, where do we live? Yes, we all live in a house. We need a house to live in. A house is a place for human beings to live. And what does a house provides us? A house provides us shelter and protects us from thieves, heat of the sun, rain, cold and wild animals. We feel comfortable inside our house. A house keeps us safe and comfortable. A house also keeps our belongings safe and we feel safe inside our house. So there are different types of houses and different types of houses can be built according to one's need. So what are the types of houses? So types of houses. One is kacha house. Kacha house. And the other is Pakka house. Example of kacha houses are hut and tent, etc. An example of pakka house is bungalow, buildings, etc. So let us discuss about the kacha house. What is a kacha house? Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, wood, leaves and bamboos. Kacha houses often have a sloping roof. Kacha houses are not very strong also. And generally kacha houses are found in villages. Another example of kacha houses is a hut. So I have given one example of kacha house is hut. So what is a hut? A hut is an example of kacha house. A hut is made up of straw, bamboo and leaves. Kacha house has a sloping roof made of straw and mostly a hut is found in villages and it has only one room and it is an example of what? It is an example of kacha house. Next is our tent. Tent is an example of kacha house and tent is made up of cloth and canvas. And a tent can be carried from one place to another. So it is a movable house. Tents are mainly used in forests and they are also used while camping. Now is our pakka house. What is a pakka house? A pakka house is made up of bricks, wood, cement, iron and steel. And where do we find pakka house? Pakka houses are found in towns and cities. When people want to live in one place for a long time, so they built a pakka house or a permanent house. So example of pakka house is a bungalow. What is a bungalow? A bungalow is an example of a pakka house, as I have given here example. So a bungalow is a big single or double storied house. Many times a bungalow has its own lawn. Generally bungalow has its own parking area also. Next is the building. So multi-storied buildings. Multi-storied building is another example of a pakka house. A multi-storied building is a structure which has many floors and flats. Each flat has 2, 3 or more rooms in it. Now there are also many different kinds of houses, and let us discuss the different kinds of houses. What are the different kinds of houses? So the different kinds of houses are igloo, houseboat, caravan, log hut, etc. So let us discuss one or two in detail. Like, what is an igloo? So igloo is a house made up of snow, and Eskimos live in it during winter season, and igloos are generally found in extremely close cold countries. Let us discuss about houseboat. What is a houseboat? Some people live in houseboat, and houseboat floats in water like in lakes, etc. Generally we find houseboats in Kerala. Where do we find houseboats? We find houseboats in Kerala. Now let us discuss about the qualities of a house. Qualities of a good house. What are the qualities of a good house? So a good house should be clean and tidy. So a good house should be clean and tidy. Then it should have well ventilated rooms and it should be spacious. So a good house should be well ventilated and spacious. and it should be comfortable to live in. So a good house should be comfortable to live in. It should be comfortable to live in. Now we have different types of roofs. A house has different types of roofs. So what are the different types of roofs? Sloping roof, and another is the flat roof. Sloping roofs and flat roofs. So houses in the hilly areas has a sloping roof where the snow and rain can slide off easily from these roofs. And flat roofs. Houses in the flat areas have flat roofs. In our area is a flat area and we build houses in the flat roofs. So students, we have learnt about the different types of houses and the qualities of a good house. So let us remember the points what we have learned. What are the points to remember? Points to remember. So students, what we have learned today, that a house protects us. A house protects us from the heat of the sun, rain, cold, storm and wild animals. Next, what did we learn? That the different types of roofs. There are different types of roofs, and a house should be well ventilated and neat and clean. A house should be well ventilated, neat and clean. So students, we have learnt about a good house, and a good house should be very and airy and sunny. We should keep our house neat and clean and its surrounding also clean. So students, if you have any questions regarding this chapter, you can make a call to me. Thank you.